Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious pork and mushroom Mapo Tofu. Mapo Tofu is a popular Chinese dish from Sichuan Province, and it features the famous spice from the region, the Sichuan Peppercorn, which imparts a truly unique, tingling, numbing sensation and floral citrusy flavor. Mapo Tofu roughly translates to pockmarked grandma's tofu. It's believed that the dish got its name from the pockmarked Mrs. Chen, who invented the dish in the late 1800s at her restaurant. To begin, we'll make our sauce. In a bowl, mix together soy sauce, black vinegar or rice vinegar, cornstarch, sesame oil, and chicken or vegetable stock. Set this aside and we'll start our stir fry. In this plant-forward version of the dish, we'll be using a blend of CREMINI mushrooms and ground pork. Heat the wok over high heat until very hot. Then add some vegetable oil. Add the finely chopped CREMINI mushrooms and some ground pork. Replacing some of the ground pork with mushrooms adds umami flavor and meaty texture to the dish, while also reducing the calories and saturated fat. Stir fry until the meat is cooked and all the liquid has evaporated. Remove from the wok and reserve. Without cleaning the wok, add some more vegetable oil and then add shallots, ginger, garlic, and the sliced white part of the scallion. We'll reserve the green part of the scallion later for garnish. Stir fry for a few minutes until fragrant. Then add some douboujang, also known as spicy bean paste. If you don't have this, you could also use sambal. Then add some ground Sichuan peppercorns and fermented black beans. Stir fry for a few minutes and be sure to keep an eye on it. It can become bitter if it burns. Add the mushroom and pork mixture back to the wok. Add the sauce to the wok and stir until it boils and thickens slightly. Turn down the heat and very gently fold in the silken tofu that has been blanched. Garnish with the green sliced scallions and serve with steamed rice on the side. With savory bites of ground pork and mushrooms, fiery sauce, and soft and silky cubes of tofu, this dish has so much aroma, texture, and flavor. It's no wonder that Mapo Tofu is the beloved dish of Sichuan and all over the world.